Hello, and welcome to the Agriculture Online Course Exchange. The Online Course Exchange is intended for students to find online and transferable courses at participating teaching institutions to fulfill credits back at your home institution. To begin, you'll be brought to our main homepage, which will feature our search toolbar. To begin, you will first want to select your home institution through the available drop-down menu and can search for courses either by keyword search, which will be general keywords such as course name or course prefix, or by subject. The drop-down menu for the subject search will list available options where you can browse course results matching the specific criteria. After selecting your subject, you will proceed to select Find Class. Next, you will be brought to the course results page, which will show available options matching the search criteria and provide preliminary information such as the course code and name, the teaching institution where the course is being offered, the number of credits, and start and end dates. On the left-hand side, you have available search filters to further refine your search. For additional information, select the course name, and you would then be brought to the course description page that will give you a brief course description, the location, number of credits, and the applicable fees. As you scroll down, you will see the available sections for the specific course that is being offered. Information such as the section ID or CRN number, applicable meeting times, instructor, and live seat counts will also be available. Live seat counts is a feature that will show you a real-time view of the number of available seats for the specific section. To continue with your registration, simply select Add Class, where you'll be prompted to sign in through your institution's single sign-on page where you will insert your home institution's credentials and proceed to complete and submit an abbreviated enrollment form. After logging into your account, you can manage your registrations, any saved searches or saved courses through your dashboard and class schedules page. Through the class schedule page, you will also see your active registrations where you can manage your enrollment status, go back to the course details, and also see any courses that you may have dropped in the past. And finally, through your profile page, you will be able to access your teaching institution's student ID if necessary. Anytime that you successfully cross-enroll into a course at a participating teaching institution, an enrollment record will be created for you at that institution. For any questions or further assistance, please feel free to contact our support team through the contact page.